Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the GT line specification. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line styled stitching. The 7-inch touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.